going to open this. Then the product is now out. This is the product. Hello guys, welcome back to the Fresh Tech Productions channel. Today the product I'm featuring is the Mic Lavalier microphone. As you can see and you probably have known, they are clip-on microphones. This one is a wire clip-on microphone. And I'm about to open it up. It's supposed to come with a carrying bag and all those stuff. So here goes nothing. By the way, this little tier right here, it came with the shipping. For some reason it came like that. So just pull this back out. Put that aside for now. This box is now empty. Then here is the actual package that should contain the mic and possibly an instruction manual. Because believe me, stuff like this, whether or not they need an instruction manual, they usually come with one. So these now, I think it's to shield away the wind and those stuff. I'm not really sure what they call it. I think I could find a name somewhere around here. Yeah, they call them wind muffs. It's written right here. Supposed to be 4 wind muffs in the package, and there's 3 right here, so most likely one is on the mic along with the adapter inside. This is the extension cable. As you can see, the audio male ports is right here and the audio female port is right there. So you connect the actual microphone audio port in here, then you connect this to your device. And this is the charger extension cable. The same male audio ports and female audio ports. And apparently last, but certainly not least, the lavalier microphone. Here's a port right here. So how it will work, just plug the male audio port into this, then right here becomes the part that enters your phone. So the only way to truly review what this mic is going to sound like is to compare how I'm sounding now versus how I'm going to sound with the lavalier mic. Be right back guys. The mic is now connected. You should be able to hear what my voice is sounding like. For now, since I didn't really show you what the box featured, I'm going to be showing you the box for now on. You'll get a little longer time to hear what this mic is like. And if the quality is good enough, you will start to hear this audio quality that you're now hearing in the rest of my videos. So this is the side of the package, a barcode of some sorts, and a closer look at the package. This is a carrying pouch. It's really nice and slide. It's feeling kind of silky in a way, premium feel. It's empty for now, and I think I'll give you guys a closer look at this. Open this pouch real quick. Now this is an adapter. As you can see, this adapter is a little different from the audio port that goes into the cell phone. There's 1, 2, 3. This has 1, 2. The length of it seems to be the same, but it's actually different stuff. And now for a closer look, this is what the earmuff is like. Put the mic in there and it should cancel out a good portion of wind. I'm not sure just how much wind it will cancel out, but you will get to see and know just how much wind it cancels out in my upcoming videos. So this is pretty much enough the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys with some more uploads.